What is going on, guys? It's Yogi again, and I am finally back with an update of my RapidBike race module. As I said before in one of my videos, previously I actually had it mounted right under the seat. The problem with that was it was actually hitting the spring right here. I got a whole bunch of Velcro, so as you can see all that Velcro right there. So I got a bunch of Velcro, stuck it on both sides of the RapidBike module. Then from there, I just pretty much got some zip ties, stuck it all the way in through this rear seat cowl, and just pretty much went from there. Additionally, I did also get a SD2 system. Basically, that means as I engine brake, the module will pretty much make this rear light flash. I can't really show you at the moment, but the install in itself was fairly simple. I did get some new tires, the Rosso 4s. I have scrubbed them in pretty well. On the rear and the front, they have been really great. I have clocked in, ever since the last video, not entirely sure how many miles, but we will see. It shows 8,258 miles. With all the miles that I've put on it, it's been fantastic. I have not gotten it tuned just yet, although, you know, I think in my previous video I did say I was going to get it tuned. I never did. Oh, the sun's finally coming out. The RapidBike race module, so far it has not given me any problems whatsoever. The bike honestly has transformed itself, even with the MWR kit as well. The MWR kit has intake noises. It just livens the bike up in conjunction with RapidBike race. Again, a lot of the parts I get are from Bellissimoto, so they've done a really great job with, you know, helping me find out what's compatible with my bike, what's not, so on and so forth. But yeah, I really don't have any complaints about the module. And the low RPMs, high RPMs, power is everywhere. There's no lugging, there's no I need to wait for power. There's nothing. You just give it throttle in any gear, it will get up and go. There are times that, you know, when you start it up, it'll kind of die out. I've kind of had that problem before I even install the module. Could just be that my battery needs to be replaced. Not too sure, but you know, as long as it still runs, I don't really care. I'm just kind of leaving it as is. Really no complaints. I'm not sure what else I can say about the RapidBike race module. Does fantastic. If you guys are considering getting a 937, I would 100% recommend, you know, just first start off with a slip-on. I went out on a full exhaust. I have the MIV titanium exhaust, and with this little mid-link pipe thingamajig, I got that from Shift Tech Carbon. I will hit the road and give you guys a little, you know, sound demo. So yeah, let's get to it. Thank you. All right, second gear, 5-ish thousand RPMs, full throttle, 3, 2, 1. This is a dead end. Okay. Well, I think I might have just killed my bike by accident. Yep. So, what just happened there was I went first gear, full on out, blasted red line, and the bike just outed itself. I'll just go ahead and squeeze through here. Thank you, sir. Woo-wee! Took that turn way too wide. I forgot, never go into first gear on a fucking Ducati. Anyone coming? Alright, well, that should conclude the video. You know, again, if you guys have any questions, comments, whatever the hell it is, put them down in the comment description, comment, whatever they call it nowadays. Like, subscribe if you want to, I don't care, it's up to you. But yeah, this is a 937.